little artist. Today we are going to draw the letter B and a beautiful butterfly. Now before we start the video, everyone quickly subscribe to the channel, like the video and share it with your friends. First I draw the letter B. This is capital B. Great job! Our letter B is ready. Now let's draw a beautiful butterfly. First I draw the butterfly's head. Next I draw the body in the center. Then I add another body section below with little lines. Now I color the face black. Let's draw the upper right wing. And then the lower right wing. Now let's draw the upper left wing. Now I draw the lower left wing. Now I add two long fillers on the head. The butterfly shape is complete. Let's decorate our butterfly with beautiful design. I draw a lovely pattern inside the wings. Now I color the butterfly with bright colors. Kids, do you know the name of these colors? Great! It's a yellow color. Kids, guess the name of this color. The name of this color is pink. Kids, what's the name of this color? Great job! The name of this color is sky blue. Now I use baby pink color. Great job! Our butterfly is done. Now I color the letter B. I'm using bright red color for the letter B. Color slowly and neatly. Stay inside the lines. Great job! Our letter B is done. B is for butterfly. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.